Changing your Workspace domain on Notion can help you personalize your workspace and improve organization. Follow these steps to successfully change your domain. Step 1. Access your Workspace settings. Log into your Notion account and navigate to the workspace you want to modify. Click on the workspace name in the top left corner to open the settings menu. Step 2. Go to Domain Settings. In the Workspace Settings menu, look for the Settings tab. Click on it and then find the Domain section where you can manage your current Workspace domain. Step 3. Enter a new domain. In the Domain section, you will see an option to enter a new domain. Type in the desired domain name you want to use for your workspace. Make sure it is unique and not already in use by another workspace. Step 4. Verify domain ownership. After entering the new domain, you may need to verify that you own it. Follow the instructions provided by Notion to complete the verification process, which may involve adding a record to your domain's DNS settings. Step 5. Save changes. Once your new domain is verified, return to the domain settings and click the Save button to apply the changes. Your workspace will now be accessible through the new domain. After completing these steps, your Notion workspace will be updated with the new domain. Enjoy your personalized workspace.